What up? On this episode of EatUp Silicon Valley, we're at Ike Sandwiches in Palo Alto.
And I'm happen to be Ike. Love the place.
No, you're not. You're not Ike.
I am Ike.
You might look like him, but the real Ike's right here.
What's going on?
What up?
What up, Ike?
What up? Yes, you guys can see my $1 million face, you know.
We got invited over. We're gonna make some sandwiches today. Is that the
Yeah, I'm
the
putting
plan?
them to work. We'll see who can make a better sandwich.
For sure me. I'm a really good cook. Sergio's not that good at cooking.
I'm not a good cook, but I'm very creative. Which I feel like Ike's is a lot of his creativity because some of the ingredients are things you never think of.
What are some of the ingredients we're going to be using? I know we have the famous Dutch Crunch bread with the dirty sauce baked in, but what about like the meats or maybe the veggie options and some sauces?
Well, some of the stuff we're going to make today, we're going to use our world famous vegan meatballs and make the America's best vegan meatball sandwich according to PETA. We're going to have the yellow barbecue, which is a sauce that I'm going to bottle eventually.
Oh, nice.
I love that sauce. We use some steak. What else are we going to make? The menage a trois sauce.
Is that with the honey?
Oh,
So we're going to make the menage.
Honey.
There's some honey. Could you walk us through that a little bit and how you grew to over 50 locations in the Bay?
Oh man, 55 right now.
55. So
Wow.
over, yeah.
Yeah, well in, that's just not the Bay, 5 states now. We're in Hawaii, Nevada, Arizona, oh yeah. So in 2007, 2006 as well, I was busy not selling any real estate in California, even though I was a realtor.
Right.
So I opened up, I had the idea for Ike's and then I opened it about a year later, opened on the first day and basically as a side hustle, and my side hustle became what it is now.
Your second location was Palo Alto, but how many do you have in San Jose? Because in South Bay, I feel like I see Ikes everywhere.
Well, in San Jose proper, there's 6, including the SAP Social.
You're crushing it.
And I looked at the ingredients. I go, well, I don't want to call this a turkey bacon Swiss.
Right.
So I'm like, all right, let me list some people that I want to name stuff.
And a lot of players and just celebrities do make their own now, right? Like Marshawn Lynch made his with fried chicken, I believe, right?
Yeah. Marshawn Lynch made his. Madison Bumgarner did his.
Oh, so our favorite, Mad Bum, made his own.
Oh, Mad Bun. So I'm gonna make a Mad Bun today because that's my favorite sandwich.
Cool. All right, so let's wash up and let's get you guys to work. Make some sandwich.
Do it. Ready.
You gotta talk about this bread. This is like your signature. What kind of bread is this?
This is the Dutch bread. It's basically our famous French roll, but with a rice flour paste over it, so it gets baked in the pan like that,
Okay.
with the rice flour over there. And it grows in when we pop it out. I've been working on this recipe for basically 8 years. Every year we attempt to make it better, tastier. Well, I love to eat. I love to cook. I'm the guy that'll come over to your house and look in your cabinets, look at your fridge, and make a delicious meal in there. I care about making sure everybody that comes in is happy. That's the main differentiator between Ike's and everywhere else. Yeah, we got this amazing bread, we got the great sauce, but like this guy cares more about your food than the person at the next restaurant. That guy too, me. We just care better, care more.
There you go.
If you hang your hand over here, you might end up.
Yeah, you're gonna lose a
little chunk
finger.
of it.
Oh.
All right.
Be a little more gentle.
More love.
All right.
Love. TLC. Tell
You gotta also act
TLC.
like you've been this. Put your hand like that and just go across.
Wow, look at that texture. Look at all that.
Wherever you missed, you just use the back. How you make sandwich is how you live your life. So if you're gonna cut corners, you cut corners in real life. If you can be like, oh well, I'm in a hurry and I'm just gonna miss this spot over here, then it's like, okay, well, yeah, 98% is still great, but it's not.
Life lessons with Ike.
One swipe, boom, and then you look, okay.
No cutting
Just take a
corners.
little bit extra off. There you go.
This is
That's
the meatless Mike.
You're gonna grab some cheese. This one has pepper jack on there. What you're gonna do is use the vegan balls and you're gonna smash them. So you're gonna make the mad bun.
Mike and the
So
mad
grab
bun.
the yellow barbecue, which is this one right there.
Oh, I love habanero. So that's
There
what
we
gives
go.
it that spice. Okay.
So now Mad Bum wanted pepper jack and American on the sandwich. And I said, God bless you, you can do whatever you want.
Meat. So that's your technique, is you put it on the meat.
On the meat,
And this is what? This is beef?
that's steak.
Steak.
Some sliced ribeye.
Ribeye, wow. So good. Not even, no lie, man. This is legit. The Mad Bum.
And so now it's known as the Matt Cain, and it is, we've sold a couple million of these sandwiches since then. And then the menage a trois just gets cheese, the sauce goes on the chicken. So the menage a trois gets its name because it has 3 sauces, 3 cheeses. So it's pepper jack.
That's what it is. Yeah.
So it's how you wrap it.
That's the hard
It's how
part.
you wrap it. So you're gonna start by bringing the sandwich as close to the bottom as you possibly can. You're gonna hold it with both of your hands, but you're gonna hold it like you love it, but like a little too much, like maybe you're a little too clingy and a little too possessive because you don't want to lose it, but with love. It's the Matt Cain,
Mad Bum.
Mad Bum, got the meatless
Meatless
Mike.
Mike.
Get the menage a trois. Look at
Menage a
that.
trois,
The
50
honey.
50. You got the cheddar right there. You got the honey mustard, you got barbecue, chicken, honey. And you're like, bam.
Cheers.
That meatless Mike, that's good. Mike, I don't know you, but you did a good job.
Anyone that follows me on social media or just shows up and gives me a hug or says hi, I love you. Thank you for the support. If it wasn't for you, I'd be making sandwiches for nobody, like I was selling real estate to nobody. She made it so that I could live my own dream and do what I love and make people happy by feeding them.
So thank you so much, man. Thanks for coming out.
You're welcome.
All right, guys, and make sure to follow us on YouTube. Ike, sign us out.
If you want to see where Ike's is going to be next, just go to loveandsandwiches.com, or you can follow me at Ike Shehadeh on Instagram. I say where I'm going to be at. I say I'm going to give free sandwiches. I just gave free sandwiches for a year to 10 people. Love you guys. Eat all over the place. Eat up.
Eat up.
Eat up.
The cool thing about Ike's too is you get dessert. Every sandwich comes with a lollipop. I get the caramel apple pop. Delicious.